Hi guys, you can watch the video in 1.5 or 2x. So we have this problem. So I would highly recommend you to go through the problem, try it out yourself, and then watch the solution. So in this problem, we are given an array. So the given array is 5, 2, 5 minus 2, 3, 1, and 2. So your job is to pick pick some elements, pick from elements from the front and some elements from the back. Suppose you pick x elements from the front and you pick y elements from the back. X plus y should be equal to b. So in terms of indices, suppose okay, the main catch in this problem is you have to use prefix sum arrays. That's how you do it. They might be under approach, but it really didn't strike to me. So what is prefix sum array? So prefix sum array of a would be equal to would store the sum up to ith index, up to that index. If for 0 it will be trivially 5 till here. What is the sum till this index, till this one index? The sum would be 5 minus 2, that would be 3. Till the next index it would be 3 plus 3, that will be 6. So there will be 7, 6 plus 1, 7, it will be 7 plus 2, that would be 9. So it would store the sum till that index, the contiguous sum from the front till that index. That's what prefix sum array stores. So how can we relate to this problem? So you are given, you should pick two elements such that sum should be maximized, and you have to pick b elements either from the front or from the back, or from or some elements from the front and some elements from the back, such that your sum is maximized. So how do you maximize your sum? You have to check each and every possibility. So instead of that, we'll have prefix sum array this and reverse prefix sum array. That would be prefix sum array of reverse array, reverse of this array. So prefix sum array of this would be 2, 3, 6, 4 and 9, right? So now we want to pick two indices from one index from here and another index from here, such that suppose if I have I from here and j from here, then if you have j here, then you have j plus 1 elements here, right? That means you are picking j plus 1 elements, because this is 0 index 0, 1, 2, 3. If you have 3, if you have j equal to 3, that means you are actually adding 4 elements here, that is j plus 1, and here too you have I plus 1. So I plus 1 plus j plus 1 would be equal to b. That means j equal to would be equal to b, sorry. That means j equal to b minus I minus 2, right? Now this will be a basic for loop. So I guess you know how to form this prefix sum array. If not, you can check it out. Okay, for this problem I'll just write on the code for that. For int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, so n equal to a dot size. If I equal to 0, then it will be trivially equal to pai will be equal to ai, else your pai would be equal to pai minus 1 plus ai. So this is how you calculate forward previous sum, and reverse previous sum would be, if I equal to 0, your reverse sum RA would be, RA of I would be what? So like I said, j equal to b minus I minus 2. Okay, so RAI would be equal to what? AJ, and else RAI would be equal to RAI minus 1 plus AJ. Now you got both the prefix sum arrays. So now you want to for okay, this is not actually b here. I'm sorry, I got confused. not here. This would be used in the next array. So here j would be equal to n minus I minus 1, right? I think you get the sense of it. So for in the next loop we would be finding the maximum sum. We would be looking for the maximum sum for int I equal to 0, I less than b, I plus plus. So before that, does this prefix sum array anyway store the information of adding all these numbers? If I pick that means if I pick 3 if b equal to 3 and if I pick all the 3 elements from here, your index should point somewhere here such that it should become 0, right? So if I pick all 3 elements from here, then my index would probably go negative. So like I said, j equal to b minus I minus 2. So but here I itself is b minus 1, that means you have 1 minus 2, that is negative. So when j is negative, you should add a negative, you should add 0 to it, okay? So that would be the extreme case, right? That would be the extreme case. So we can write if so j equal to b minus I minus 2. Okay, so and how about when, yeah, okay, this is, so when it goes to 2, that means you are including all the when it maximum value of I is b minus 1, that it can take here. That means that time you are taking all the b elements from the first array and your j would be negative at that time. So if j is negative, that means you are going to add, that means you are basically your sum is going to be max of sum. So this is actually maximum sum that you are storing here. Maximum sum equal to PA of I, that's it, and plus 0, that is what you are adding from that second array. Also actually I should start from minus 1. If I starts from minus 1, you can have another this too. If I is negative, the same argument holds for this too. Sum equal to maximum of m sum comma reverse ai, right? Now if I equal to minus 1, then j would become, if I equal to minus 1, then j would become plus 1 minus 2, that would be b minus 1. That is, it would point to it will take the sum of all b elements that are taken from right side. Else your maximum sum would be equal to maximum of maximum sum comma pai plus r, okay, this is j, I'm sorry, r a j, and you return maximum sum. That's it. Thank you.